Behind and to the right. Once again, we salute all those fighting the war on terrorism. Those who have lost their lives fighting this called a titanium barstow. A tough armor barrier that can stop virtually everything up to a 37mm anti-aircraft ship. Major Browns will stop his aircraft within 1,500 feet from touchdown, using the because of his high-mounted engine and rugged landing gear. The Warthog can also operate from small, battle-damaged runways never before available to his aircraft. A combat capability your United States Air Force is using today. We trust today's demonstration has given you some insight into the capabilities of the A-10 Thunderbolt II. This airplane was designed to be and is the close air support, giving our forces on the ground the air power they need to get the job done.
Veterans, stop by the display, sign a special poster. They're going to present it to Edwards Air Force Base here. The aircraft has two fuselage booms attached to that big 140-foot wingspan. The flight crew are housed together in the right-hand fuselage. Based on the Air Force used its scale composite Global Flyer aircraft, which was flown by adventurer Steve Fawcett on the first solo unrefueled aircraft flight around the world in 2005.
That is weird.
Accelerating now to about a 60-degree bank. The White Knight 2 is Mothership painted in the or VMS-E for short. Crew now cleaning up the wing to demonstrate a tight accelerating turn. Unlike similar-sized airliners that require hydraulic actuators to move the control surfaces, the White Knight 2 design uses a simpler mechanical flight control system. It would not be possible if not for their patented carbon fiber-based control table.
Cool.
The aircraft flew for the first time just before the start of the year, and the scaled composite test team had already cleared the full mission envelope required to carry, getting ready. Look at that very, very steep approach now as he approaches the end of the runway. Now he begins to shallow it out, as we said. Touchdown speed of about 100 miles an hour. Let you see him real close because he's going to taxi right in front of the crowd here once he gets off Bravo. All four landing gear extended out. And just about now there's touchdown. I'll tell you something, ladies and gentlemen. I've been doing air shows for over 25 years, as Ralph Royce up here with me. You're seeing the best of the best, things that are not seen at air shows. Flight test flyby later on this afternoon of 10 airplanes that has never before been seen in an air show, and you're one of the very, very fortunate people that are going to be able to see it. But we've got a lot of things here. Ladies and gentlemen, Major General Lightpoint has dedicated this year's Edwards Air Force Base show to the X-15 team members who'd like for all of you to gather and show center up here by the stage. And I think we're ready over there. General Yeager, are you on the microphone over there? Get General Yeager on the wireless. That's right. It's a little over Mach 1, some 62 years later.
Be Muroc, and I've been here for a long time. And basically, my first trip out here was in July 1945. I was the maintenance officer.
fly-by-wire flight control system, which allows to perform the knife edge maneuver with such cutting precision. From your right, the F-16 and the knife edge pass. Approaches the end of the runway, Major Graham will set up for a series of maneuvers, which will demonstrate the F-16's ability to turn tight and stay unpredictable. A trait which helps the Viper survive against low-altitude threats, they quickly transition from a horizontal fight into the vertical. Ladies and gentlemen, from your left, it's the for a slow speed, high alpha pass. While the Viper can fly at more than twice the speed of sound, slow speed control is just as important as those. Major Graham is holding the Viper at a 20-degree nose-up position, moving only 130 miles per hour.